Hey guys, it's me Nandita Shweta. So many of you messaged me through social media platforms saying what kind of face wash you use, moisturizer or daily bath foam or sunscreen lotions, what type of products or brands you use like that. So I thought of making this video for you all. So what type of products I am using in my daily routine so that my skin looks flawless. So first of all, I would like to thanks to my mom video tutorials also, because I have learned so many things. Like my mom suggested me to use a lot of homemade products to use on my skin so the skin will be so good. So the first product, so many have asked, I even suggested this because it is not that much chemical products. It's a Wild Farms kiwi fruit face wash. So you can see this product I've already suggested to my mom, my brother, one or two friends of mine, and they said it's really nice. I feel this is not too chemical based face wash, and it is too mild also. I like the products which are really mild and not too foamy or something. So I'm using this face wash since long time and I love it. It's quite costly, but still, it's for your skin, so you should buy it. So after face wash, what I can show you, yeah, my body wash, this is from Vilva. Right now I'm using this goat milk body wash and the smell is so good. Trust me, I don't know, I'm really liking this product. I've tried so many body wash and I keep changing, and I like some fragrance has to be there in my body wash so that it long last. And this one I got it through Vilva. They have sent me this product and I started using it, and this is my favorite now. I can post the link below, you can buy from them. And what else? After the face wash, must and should I use any face mist or rose water or some again homemade sprays or something. And what I would suggest to use, at least you can use rose water after the face wash, because when you wash your face, the oiliness, everything goes out of the face and it looks dry or it will become dry. You have to use moisturizer and face mist or rose water, anything before applying moisturizer. So what I am currently using is green tea mist from Innisfree. So you can see, this is from Innisfree. It's again, as I told you, green tea mist. I always tend to use green tea or rice water face mist. It is really good, and very little I use, otherwise it looks oily. So once I use this, I'll just tap it. After the face mist, once it gets a little dry, I use face moisturizer. Without moisturizer I never go out, and right now also I've used only moisturizer and no makeup. So I would like to buy face moisturizer. Always keep this moisturizer in my bag wherever I go. Whenever I go, I'll just take it and apply it. Right now I'm using doctor prescribed face moisturizer. It is Sisderma face moisturizer. I'm already done, so I'm going to buy one more. This was prescribed by Dr. Seduram from Chennai. So it says glowing facial fluid. Okay, I don't know if I'm glowing. I'm happy. After moisturizer, if I'm going out, I'm very lazy to apply sunscreen lotions, and I think many of you whenever I'm going out only I use sunscreen lotions or sunblocks. So right now I'm using Photo Stable Gold. It's matte finish sunscreen lotion, SPF 55. So I tend to use lot of sunscreen lotions, and I tried most of the products. And for skin, I'm little conscious, and what doctor told, use this before applying makeup, like that. They insisted me, so right now I'm using this. The texture is really good, and it won't give that feel, what do you say, oily or something. and it is very light texture also. So before applying makeup, my makeup artist use this, and I insist and use this, otherwise don't do the makeup. These are the products which I use without skipping every day. So if you want your skin to be good and look good, definitely you have to use Must and Shot moisturizer and sunscreen lotions. Thank you so much.